I saw a dream. That was probably the big event. I saw a dream. I had snuck out of the house. My parents were upstairs. In New York we have basements. You guys have basements here? Okay, so
not too many, but we do have.
Okay, so our home in Queens we had a
place.
basement. So my room was in the basement. Also because my sister didn't want to be in the basement, and then I get the basement because it gets flooded. So, but I was okay with it. So the advantage of it was it had its own back door exit out of the house. So I could sneak out of the house from the basement and nobody would know. So I snuck out of the house, went to this party with my Hindu friend, hung out with him until 3 in the morning, snuck back into the house. Dad never found out. Now they're gonna watch this video. But anyway, I get back and I fall asleep, safe and sound. And I see myself in a dream, in my own grave. And my head has been turned into a lizard's head. And there's fire pouring out from both sides, like multiple faucets just pouring out fire like water from both sides. And there's somebody over the grave saying, "This is because you don't pray." And I woke up like that. And by this point, it must have been a couple of years I hadn't prayed anything. No Jumu'ah, no Eid, no nothing. Right? And this is before my parents left. So now I get up and I prayed. I don't even know. I knew there were 5 prayers, but I didn't quite remember how they work. So I prayed some version of Isha, followed by some version of Maghrib, followed by some version of, in succession. And
Sorry, so you didn't grow up in a family environment where they taught you how to pray from a
they
young
did,
age,
but
or-
it had been so long since I prayed that
you had forgotten it.
I've forgotten it.
That's it.
Yeah. And then I was in sajda and I started crying. And I kept on crying. And then I fell asleep
Is
crying.
this still in the dream?
No.
No, it's
this was
also-
in real life. So I fell asleep crying. I woke up the next morning in sajda. And something in me just kind of got shaken up.